Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the media cover on lock screen function on the VLC application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy of to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the More button under the playlist option the left side on the screen and go to the settings option. Scroll down and in the extra settings section you can find the first option, the interface. In the audio section you can find the third option, the media cover on lock screen. When available, set the current media cover art as lock screen wallpaper. And if you want to enable this function, just click to the next square icon and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.